Novus Leisure is a premium bar company with about 50 venues, mostly in the centre of London. In terms of scale, we're revenues of about 140 million, and we recently did a refinancing which valued the company at 100 million. We've been rolling the system out into venues now for about 3 or 4 months to give the sales force and the information and the tools to really take their performance up a couple of notches. We've seen better customer service, better customer interaction, just a whole range of benefits.
The CRM system is a part of our digital transformation of the business. It allows us to secure those leads, to track them from inquiry to conversion, and also build relationships moving forward with our customers.
So everybody's working off the same database now. Before, we had lots of different pools of data. We might be calling the same customer more than once about the same offer. Now we're calling the customers less, but more impactfully, and we're coordinated across the venues. Currently, we're live in the first 10 of our venues, and we've been seeing an increase in sales of 30% year on year. One of our key developments over the last few years was the creation of a central sales team as well as the venue-based sales team. The process for them was a little bit inefficient in that they had to ring round venues to find availability. So with this system, we look at availability in real time on venues so that the central sales team are coordinated with the venue sales teams. That makes an absolutely huge difference to our central sales team. Now they're not spending a large proportion of their time sorting out the administration, and they can concentrate on creating the best possible experience for the customer.
The CRM system has become the core of all of our communication. It allows us to segment and target customers for digital campaigns such as email, SMS and social, and by having that extra level of intelligence when we're creating our communication, it provides far better return.
That customers will make a booking on one of our websites. It'll go through to the CRM database. So the CRM database will be telling them what space, what tables, what booths are available to help them make their choice. It's all completely coordinated with the sales force, and so whatever the sales force is selling comes off the list, and the customer is able to make an online booking with as much or as little human interaction as they desire. With CRM, we're able to get a real level of detail to drill in, to really understand what's going on with our customers and with our sales force. We can look at efficiency metrics, how many calls and how many interactions each salesperson's had, how many of those calls resulted in an inquiry, the types of inquiry that they've resulted in. We can look at which marketing lists have been effective. It's been transformational, and we're tremendously excited by it. In terms of infrastructure, we looked at the options available to us, and we made the decision to go with a cloud-based infrastructure. So for the websites, we're hosted on Microsoft Azure, and for CRM, we're hosted directly with Microsoft. We found that to be a great strategy, and we're getting great reliability, and it's taken away a lot of the traditional headaches that any IT manager faces in terms of running servers and storage and networks, and it's allowed us to really focus on how we can help the business.
The overall strategy, which is the right one, was to allow Novus to grow and expand with low risk and keep everything in the cloud. So CRM Online clearly fits very well into that, and that gives the business a lot of confidence as they implement it across the wider business.
We'd be very positive about our experience with Hitachi. They brought to the table a real desire and a real ability to understand us as a customer and our needs. In the early stages, they managed to fix price, which again helped us gain confidence and took away the finance director's anxiety about the project. And being a Japanese company, they have an incredible focus on long-term relationships, and that was something I really valued and was very helpful to us in this project.
At Novus Leisure, we're really excited by the opportunity the CRM presents us with. It allows us to put the customer at the heart of our strategy and make decisions based around what he and she wants and prefers.
We see CRM as a philosophy, the combination of people, process and system, all coming together with the end objective of creating positive profits and improving customer satisfaction. We needed the right technology platform to let us do that, and we think we've got the right one.